welcome to Kitty for Crafts. I am here for a um, product review of something that I got from Artdot. It is I'll tell you, it's a magnifying light that I purchased, and I am going to do a product review for them. I am going to also offer you I think it's 15%. Don't quote me. It will be in the show notes, but my affiliation code as well. I purchased this though from Amazon. I do believe it's $26. I think it's something that it would be kind of cool. So, like I told you, it's a light. Let me move this real quick so you can see what I'm using now. So this is a light that I have now. Again, it's a magnifier. Had it forever. I'll turn the light on just a little bit so you can see. That's how much it is. It's only the one setting. This one I have 5 times magnification, and I used it when I was doing chemo, so that's why it's a nice and small one. So this one is a 10 times magnifier, so 10 times magnifier, and this box is heavy, and I mean like heavy. So we're going to open it up. I've already opened up this part for the the box, and then so we can take it out. Okay, so this is the box. Magnifying glass, 10 times with light and a stand. So, show you just on this box, it has this base stand and it has a vice grip or desk stand. I think we call it vice grips. So here's the box. It has the light, the instructions, the clamp, and it comes with a microfiber cloth so you can clean your lens. And it also has a USB cable. It is, if you're doing inches, 17 by 11, and if you're doing centimeters, 45 by 28 by 18. So that's probably more so this base here. Artdot Craft is a lifestyle, which is their slogan, which is at the bottom. Artdot there, you see Artdot there, Artdot, my fingers move, and we'll get this off here in a second. Artdot there. Okay. There. And of course it has more and more. Okay. 12 centimeters diameter. Well, I guess I should have showed you that part. Oh, okay, as I opened up the thing, but hold on. There it is. Yeah, there it is. 10 times magnification, 12 centimeter diameter, 144 LED lights, and then again the base. Okay, so we've already opened that part. Let's get this part out. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so I like that foam. Instructions. So we'll put these to the side. Okay, plastic. I came off the arm. Magnifier. I think one of my dogs just hit that. Sorry. One of what's it called? Microfiber cloth. We're just gonna open this here. Oh, this is the vice grip. Looks like it has that little foam on the top too, which is nice. So that's gonna go against your table. And then there's the hole to put looks like the base of this in. So there's that. And then I'm just kind of sitting off to the side. Okay. Okay, here's your magnifier. If I poke myself in the face. Magnifier. Boy, look at that. So there that is. Looks like on button, increase, decrease light, and probably warm and cool light. We're going to find out. As you see my lamp in there. But there you go. And then that's the bottom of it. There. There's a hole here which tells me that that's where I must put the screw, which I just took off, but there's a screw. So I would imagine that goes in here to screw onto the base. That's me guessing. We don't know. Can put that in my lap. Take that out. And this is why the box is heavy. As I got a dog there too. These dogs are crazy today. So, well, you can't see that. Artdot. Bam. And then there's the hole. And then the side hole here, which is where this goes. So I get my hand all up in your, there you go. So you can see that. And then I'm going to bring you down for a sec. Well, before I do that, instructions, we can go over those real quick. So it comes in, well, there's, why is it so short? Okay. Oh, it comes in 5 languages: Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish, and English. So on and off button is that red button I showed you. Up and down brightness, which is what I showed you. And then light setting adjustment, which was the eyeball light that I showed you. Usage, this product is designed for home use with diamond paint. Thanks, Artdot, for diamond painting. Please read this carefully. And then it just tells you how to use your vice grip, how to use your base, attach a light to the base, attach a light to the clamp, set the angle, desire, and height, set the, yeah, and then it says connect the power to your cable and connect the power. Okay, yep, that's it. So what I will show you is how they have it set up, maybe. There you go. So if you're using the vice grip, how to set it up. If you're using the stand, how to set it up. I'm going to say this is not rocket science, people. And then, again, your light sourcing. And then the thanks for how to use it. Okay, again, 10 times magnification, 144 LED lights. Make sure to turn off the device during installation. Well, okay. And then suitable power adapter. All right, yeah, common sense stuff. So, on and off button, which we kind of figured out on our own. So I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm going to put this microfiber cloth to the side. That's stuff that I'm not using. Okay. And then we're going to pull this up. Okay. And then, hold on. We're going to unhook that. And so there's your USB. If you hold on for a second, guys, I am going to plug this sucker up down here at my USB area. Maybe. There we go. All right. Okay, as I did that, these lights turned on. I'm going to poke my head. There. So there you go. So you can see them. If I cover up my light, you can see them. There you go. So they're on. So again, the red one is on and off. The two, one's going to be up, one's going to be down. And actually, there are little arrows there, which is nice, so you know which way you're going. And this is your color, I think, right here. So let's go ahead and get it turned on. I'll hook it up in a sec. Oh, bright light, bright light. All right, so obviously there is the... Okay, let's go. And then, okay, if I do it on my shirt, you can see it go down. Notice that? Isn't that nice? So you don't have to have bright light like you're like Gizmo or something. Ah! Okay, we're gonna go, well, we'll leave it there. So let's go to this little sign here, which is the little swishy sign. And then there's your different hues. So different color of, let me move my hand so you can see. Different hues. So you can see it turns yellowish. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. And there's some more yellow. I think this is like, there's bright white. So bright white, white, yellow bright, or medium bright, 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 and then white again. So there you go. That's that. Ooh, good gravy. Light, oh, look at my watch, guys. Look how much that magnified my watch. Just my watch. Isn't that crazy? That's so nice. So nice. So that's that 10 times. So let's turn it off so we don't like, you know, and let's put it together. So I'm not going to put the vice grip on because it's just, I think I'm going to have my husband put the vice grip on my desk. Okay. But we're going to just look at it together. So there's the hole. And I'm just going to say to you, it goes in like that. Yeah? There we go. So that's what it's going to do. Rest it on my arm. And then you're going to use your bottom here. So hold on while I put this on my lap. Because we're going to hook it up to the base. But then you're going to just take your vice grip, just in case someone's not used to a vice grip. Right way. And then you're just going to spin this. And see how that lid top is coming down? And then this is the space between, we'll just use my finger, the table as my finger and the vice grip. And then you're just going to tighten that back up to hold that in place. So I think that's great. Okay. And like I said, I'll probably have my husband hook mine up to this table because I like the idea of that being over in this one area here. And then I can scoot it over so that, here, I'll show you, so that it sits like this. And then I can bring it down to where I need it. So this is that arm, so we can straighten it out. And we can also bend it. Look at that, it's pretty far bend. I don't know if you want to bend it that far down, but we're going to stick it in there for a sec so I can just show you like that. And then you're going to bend it over and then, you know, do your light source. Now, most people do these at an angle. I know I always do. I do not just put this on top. Let me bend this down like that because that's probably how I'm going to have mine actually. So let me show you like that as I just set it there. And then I put it at an angle and then I do it off the side. I think having it face down, face like that, that's doing too much. So I would say this way and this way. And here I'll bend you down so you can see how I do mine. More like that. So that I'm sitting here and it's up a little bit and me and my pen are here and I'm off to the side. Okay, so that's what I would do. And while I have you at this angle, let me go ahead and turn you a little bit and I'll do this so that you can see this is kind of how it sits in there. So I'm going to lift this up, turn this off to the side, and there's my hole. So I am going to place that, as I turn this way, guys, so I can see myself in here. And then it goes straight flat. See how it's flushed against there? And then you're just going to turn that in there. And I don't have strength in my arms to do all the turning. But there you go. There it is. So I'll lift you back up now. Okay. So that's how easy it is to put that in there. Like that was crazy, isn't it? Yeah. All right. So Artdot here, Artdot there, Artdot there. What do I think? Bright light. I think that this is going to be awesome. I think that this is something that, first of all, thank you, Artdot. I like the base. The base is really nice. It's wide. It's heavy. It's not going anywhere. So that's going to be great. I think it's something that if you like to use this as even a bottom for your dot, you know, if your desk is kind of, my desk isn't, but if you had like a desk, like maybe you had like chunks or something missing out of it, or if it was wood or something, this would be nice that you can paint on this. Like you could, you know, do your dots on here, do your drills rather on that. 10 times the magnification. I can tell you right now, without this even being on, that I can look down there and go, woo, okay, I see you. Like literally I can see it. I love this product. I'm glad I bought this. Would I recommend you to buy this? Heck yeah, I would. I would say that you should get this. Again, you can use my affiliation code, which will be linked below. But I mean, Amazon, Artdot, make sure you get this. This is nice. This is so nice. Yeah, I mean that's wide. That's like a big space. So 12 centimeters diameter. Yeah, this is like really nice. Like, yeah. So, would I recommend it? Yes. Is it something that I think everyone could use? Yes. I'm gonna put it there. And what am I gonna do with my old one? I'm gonna put it in the closet. So like when I go on a trip or something, I can't take Big Mama here with me. We're gonna call her Big Mama. We're gonna take Big Mama with us. So we're gonna take the little one with us, right? If we're going on a trip or something. So that's what that was me for, more of a travel light and a travel magnifier. And I could use that magnifier for cross stitching, for diamond painting, whatever. But this one here, same thing. If I want to sit here and cross stitch, oh my Lanta, that's gonna be like, what? Boy, are you talking about seeing a 20 count, 25 count? What? That's gonna be nuts. So like that's gonna be blown up. I might, but with the 32 count. So Recommend this highly. Something that's really nice. So far, everything I've gotten from Artdot, I have loved. So I've got those glasses, those magnifying glasses, which mine was like, what the world did you just buy? Those magnifying glasses are cool. This lamp is cool. So their accessories are on point. Love their accessories. Um, I did do a video on my review for their diamond painting, so you should look at that. But this magnifier, love it. Do I recommend it for you? Yes. If you're someone who needs magnification in your life, I don't care what kind of project you're doing, this is going to be on point right here. So again, Artdot, let me lift her up. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. But here we go. Artdot magnifier. So 10 times magnifier. It has, let's scoot that over. 10 times magnifier, 5 different modes of light, brightness as well. So you got brightness levels, 5 different light modes, and then 10 times magnifier on a 12 centimeter wide girth. So, wow, that's all I got for it. So, thanks for watching. I'll put everything down below. I'll put the link for Artdot below. I'll put the link for Amazon down below. I will put my affiliation code down below. You are more than welcome to do any of it, but I feel like you should do something because this is a good light. Vice grip came with it, so if you wanted to do that, if you're like on, I do have a couple people I know who are on drafting tables, so I would say definitely with the vice grip. So hey guys, Artdot, definite. That being said, I'm going to tell you, stay cool, stay being you, keep on diamond painting, and peace. Bye.